This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, this is Greg from TalentClick, and I'm doing a really quick overview of our portal. This is a cloud-based account that all customers get access to, and this demo is making the assumption that you've already seen the assessments and you have some knowledge of the reports and the content in those reports. So, as I said, just a quick demo of the actual portal. So this is the home page, and from this home page, you can click on this tab at the top. You can invite applicants or employees to actually complete the assessment. You can modify the template that will go out. You can send this to multiple people at one time. When somebody has actually completed the report, you can go into the home page. You can search for somebody's results. So I'm just going to click, just type in a partial name, hit enter. Up will come Noel's results. You can hover your cursor over on this side and actually look up one of the reports. You can kind of scroll down, have a look at the summary page. You can zoom in and zoom out. So let's zoom out a little bit, and then you can see all the results on one page. This gives you a really quick method to have a look at all the results just at once. Now, of course, you can download these results as well and print them off. You can also, by the way, have them automatically sent to your email inbox as attachments if you like. Let's quickly look at a few of the other tabs at the top. This one's really interesting. Customers spend a lot of time on this. They say they love it. This is analytics. So if we click on this, we can run, you see the tabs at the top, team reports, benchmarks, usage. You can plot just a few of the folks from Community Transit, and I've left actual names and initials off of this, but you could go in and if you tick these boxes, you can have the actual names and initials appear beside all of these. So you can slice and dice this many different ways. You can plot top performers, low performers on one graph. You can do different business units, different actual job positions and titles, you name it. So it's pretty interesting. We've got an interesting tutorial at the top here, and there's lots of training material built into the portal as well. Let's click on benchmark. This is another useful tool. So we have hundreds of benchmarks in our library. You can see if you happen to want to use it for accounting and finance positions, you can click on this, engineer, health, safety, you name it. Let's look at bus driver. I believe that's under transportation. Here it is. And if we click on that, use the library benchmark. Interesting now, you can have this overlaid atop your applicant's results. And by the way, you can use our off-the-shelf benchmark, or as a phase two, a little down the road, you can give us data and we can tighten these benchmarks, we can expand them, make them narrower, wider based on your laser focused data. So this is a powerful tool as well. And what do you get out of this at the end? Well, I'm just going to cut away and show you this. So those benchmark ideal score ranges are represented visually by these horizontal orange bars. So you can see this person's score is right in the middle of this target range. They're in nicely within this next range as well. Oh, they're a little outside of this range here. So at the top, we give an overall fit score. In this case, it's for the bus operator position, 74%. So it's shaded in yellow. Yellow means possible fit, proceed with caution. Green means full steam ahead. Maybe that's your pile A in terms of priorities, and you start with interviewing those people right out of the gate. Okay, so I think that makes sense. And let's go back to the portal, and I'm going to click on a final tab, which is usage. And this is where you can go in and you can run reports for how many people you've assessed in the past. Here's the date range, the past month, the past 7 days, the past year, you name it. You can run it by different products. It could be that combo report or just the driver safety quotient or whatever you like. And I'm just going to run one quickly here. I'll just type in SEPTA, for instance, and click on all reports, click generate report. This is how fast it comes up. And this is just for this month. So this organization's done 356 just this month. If I click on all time, generate the report, it's over 4,000. And you can do different things with this. You can export the data to an Excel CSV file, and there's other things you can do with graphs and charts. But this is just a quick high-level overview of the TalentClick portal. Hopefully you found that interesting and useful. Contact us for more information. Thank you.